I'm Ryan Szymanski, Curator for the Battleship, New Jersey Museum and Memorial. Later this spring we're going to be opening up one of our engineering spaces for guided tours. This is a space that we haven't restored. Iowa-class battleships have 4 fire rooms and 4 engine rooms feeding 4 different propeller shafts. Right now we're in the number 3 engine room. It's fed from number 3 fire room on the other side of that bulkhead. Restoring these spaces has taken us years, and for all the time and money we've spent on them, we've only managed to open up 1 engine room and 1 fire room. Why does it take us so long? Well, first we need to do air quality tests on the space to make sure there's no asbestos, PCBs, or lead paint. Once we've ensured that it's safe for us to work in these spaces, we have to come down and clean up all of the grime, dust, the powders, and everything else that are sitting in here since 1991 when the ship was decommissioned. After that, we have to put coats of paint on everything. Then we have to install emergency lighting and other safety equipment. Then, finally, it's safe to bring guests down here. Now we're in number 2 engine room, just forward of the space we were just in. In here, in addition to painting and cleaning up, we've also installed LED lighting to make us more energy efficient. On the other side of this bulkhead is the number 2 fire room. 2 boilers in there, each with 9 burners, are burning fuel oil to make steam. That then turns that steam into superheated steam, which comes through in these main steam lines into the high pressure turbine. A turbine is basically like a windmill encased inside of a box so the steam doesn't escape. After coming through at around 600 psi, the steam spins impellers in this turbine and then goes into our low pressure turbine to be more efficient. From there, shafts lead that rotation into the gear reduction box, which slows it down to the speed that our propellers need in order to move the ship forward. I'm the curator of the museum. I don't have much experience with one of these. Most of the work in here was done by volunteers and paid for by donations from people like you. If you're interested in getting involved with the ship, either through donations, volunteer work, or in some other way, go to our website and see how you can help us out.